for a character that we already have, or just a whole new class?
I got one, sorcerer, because it seems super hard.
For Chetney?
I don't know. For Grog.
I'm a sorcerer boy and would like to revivify.
I mean, maybe barbarian.
Well, I guess just generals. I got really close to dipping Keyleth into some barbarian levels.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
You guys knew.
No.
I've said this before.
Listen to you.
Because I started playing Fern and I was like, she's not a rogue, but except when she's stealing. But yeah, I am curious about playing like a full-blown rogue.
Like Fern is a full rogue with her like clippy clops. We were saying we needed to have Deanna knit you some little booty.
Stanley would probably love to be a ranger just so he could get a pet bear.